When employees are improperly excluded from the plan, or when employee deferral elections are not properly implemented, they miss an opportunity to save for retirement with tax-favored plan. In addition, these operational errors can jeopardize the plan's qualified status. Errors like this that result in missed contributions are common. And because of this, the IRS provides for correction methods to assist plan sponsors to correct the error and maintain the qualified status of the plan. Yes, it is a potential disqualifying issue if delayed contributions are not corrected. This model describes these errors, the applicable correction methods, and ways to prevent errors from occurring in the future. Let's start off with the exclusion of eligible employees. The code requires minimum eligibility and participation standard for all qualified plans. And those minimum participation standards are 1, age 21, in other words, can be younger but not older. 2, 1 year of service to participate in a plan. The code provides 2 methods to credit service to an employee. The first is actual hours. That method counts the number of hours during a consecutive 12-month period and cannot be more than 1,000 hours. So you cannot exclude anyone with 1,000 hours or more. Now, there is one new plan provision that has to do with long-time part-time employees. That is a look back at 500 per year hours. And number 2, there's an elapsed time definition of service, and that method uses 12-month period starting on the employment commencement date. In other words, no matter how many hours you worked, if you work for the company for 12 months, you become eligible. An eligible employee must generally be allowed to enter the plan within 6 months of satisfying the eligibility requirements set forth. And there's an eligibility and there's an enrollment timing as well. Errors occur if employees are not notified of the opportunity to enroll in the plan upon satisfying the eligibility requirements. And the plan document will set forth the specific requirements and methods used for each plan. Failure to properly implement an affirmative deferral election. This occurs when an eligible employee makes an affirmative election but is not actually put in place. In other words, the deferrals are not taken based on the election that was made by the employee.